When I was making this small anvil bick in my last video, I had an idea for a similar way to go about making hardy tools. In order to go about making that offset, I thought maybe if I tip my anvil on its side, it might be easier for me to form that in this way. I'll heat the piece and then use my flatter like this. The trick is getting this out. Luckily, my anvil is not very heavy. I need a couple more heats to form the shoulder, but first I want to taper the shank side a little bit to make it easier to come out, and I also want to point something out. Notice I've got this flat tong with open sides and trying to hold this piece on the diagonal. Well, I had a problem last video, and this clip will show you what happened. Extremely dangerous. Don't take chances like that. I've got this prototype tong with diamond jaws, and that'll hold it much more securely. A guy who makes tongs shouldn't run into this problem, but of late my creative juices are really flowing for tongs and tong designs, and so I'll make myself a whole new set of what I need. That piece flung up much higher than my head and could have easily become a disaster. Don't take chances, or the blacksmithing dream could easily become a nightmare. I need to give a big shout out to Jeff Lofton for his recent, very generous donation. I also need to thank Ron Thacker for becoming the first person to donate via Super Thanks. So thanks again to Jeff and Ron. I'll keep trying my best with my videos, and I really appreciate the help. So now that the shoulder is good enough, I decide to turn the business end into a small cone mandrel, something I think I can really use. This old prototype tong, while not ideal, is at least safe to use in this manner of me rotating while I'm hammering. Hey, it wouldn't be a GS video if I didn't get my hirsute body in the way. The boy in a gorilla suit strikes again. So there it is, nothing to it. I really wish I had this small cone mandrel for some previous jobs. Using your anvil, even if it's a standard London pattern anvil, in unorthodox ways can really pay off. Think about your anvil 3-dimensionally rather than 2-dimensionally. I'll catch you guys next time.